terrifying reality of draining the world's oceans. The Earth is 70% water. It keeps us alive. But what if, in a single second, someone pulled the plug? We are draining the oceans, from the sunny beaches down to the deepest, darkest trenches on Earth. At first, it looks like a massive tsunami drawback. The water retreats miles away from the coast, faster than you can run. Global trade stops instantly. Thousands of massive cargo ships are suddenly grounded, tipping over in the mud. Billions of marine creatures are left stranded in the open air. The smell of decay would cover the entire planet within hours. As the first 200 meters vanish, the map changes. England is no longer an island. You can walk to France. We have reached the edge of the continental shelf. This is where the shallow world ends, and the true deep begins. Welcome to the abyssal plain. Without water, the ocean floor looks like a barren, alien planet. Suddenly you see it, the mid-Atlantic ridge, the longest mountain range on Earth, finally visible under the sun. And sitting quietly in the dust is the Titanic, no longer lost in the dark, but resting on a dry plain. You could walk right up to the hull. Rusticles hang like icicles, drying out in the open air. But look closer at the ground. These cables are the internet, the nervous system of our planet, completely exposed. At this depth, we find the monsters. But without water pressure to hold them together, the giant squids collapse into jelly. We pass ancient volcanoes that haven't erupted in millions of years. It is a silent, dead graveyard. Deeper still, 6,000 meters. This is the midnight zone. Even with the water gone, the sun barely reaches here. Here we find bones of creatures we haven't even named yet. Evidence of a world we were never meant to see. Hydrothermal vents blast toxic steam into the air. This is where life on Earth might have started. Finally, the Challenger Deep. A scar in the Earth's crust that goes down 11 kilometers. It is so deep that if you dropped Mount Everest inside, the peak would still be 2 kilometers below the surface. We solved the mystery, but without the ocean to cool us, Earth turns into a furnace. Maybe some secrets should stay hidden.